Now here is moving symptoms between clipboards. So moving symptoms between clipboards. So in case you have taken symptoms in the wrong clipboard, it's easy to move them between the clipboards. So let me go to RadarOpus again. So let's say this symptom here in clipboard number 1, you want to have moved to clipboard number 2. So here, from this one to that one. Now you should not move from here to there, you should not drag it from here to there, but you drag it from this clipboard to the icon, to the clipboard icon you want to have it added to. But you first select the symptom, so I click one time on it and you see it's selected. Now I can drag it to the clipboard I want to have it added to. I want to have it moved to. I let go and it's moved to that one. So I repeat, you click on it, then it's selected, and then you can drag it to the clipboard you want to have it moved to. Now if there are several symptoms you want to move in one time, you can use again on Windows the Control and on Mac the Command, and I can select here, for example, 2 symptoms. If I now drag one of them to the clipboard I want to have it added and let go, both are moved in one time. So let me do that again. One click selects only one, and with Control on Windows and Command on Mac, I can select the other ones, and then I can move it to the clipboard I want to have it in. So let me do this one, and it's moved. Okay,